Oh wow. So what are you gonna do with all these cantaloupe? You gotta sell them. You're not gonna be able to use them all.
Eat them.
Well, the first one,
Eat 'em.
I eat it and cut them up and put them in the freezer.
For smoothies.
There's nothing else yet over here except for the gourd vines,
Yeah,
right?
all those gourds here.
You gotta turn the compost thing.
Gio, this is where I first grew my plants in the backyard.
Hey, leave it alone. Go over here, cut. Oh, did you see my figs? Here's my figs.
Oh, nice. That's getting along nicely.
Yeah, I got it like 9 months ago.
What is it?
Figs
It's figs.
is a fruit.
That's cool.
You eat them?
I never heard of it. That was like my
This
first
is
time ever.
olive. I think this is the black olives.
Oh,
Those are the green olives.
Yeah.
See, all of these trees we need to like duplicate on
Yeah.
our property.
And here's my pear. I bought them when it was just this size right here.
Oh wow.
Actually, yeah, because this is the end. This is the new one. And
And you just water the crap out of it, huh?
I water it I've had it in a timer, 10 minutes every, what, 4 or 6 hours?
Mm-hmm.
This one, I did not know that we have fruiting mulberries. So I got this at Amazon, and it was like this big,
Oh wow.
like in February. And look how tall it is.
Yeah. That's
Look
all
at the
I-
one back there.
Yeah, that one's huge.
Remember how small that one was? Because you guys never watered it. So now she watered it.
Yeah, we never watered it because we didn't go
Oh,
back
here's
there.
my loofah right here. Let me show you it.
Your loofah tree?
Yeah. Fine.
Watch out for all the goat heads.
See?
Those jalapenos are amazing.
Did you eat it?
Uh-huh.
See? I had one that's super big right here.
Oh wow.
So when they're baby, like this one, you can eat it. They're softer.
Mm-hmm.
You just peel it and you can put them in stir fry.
When they're like this big. You can eat that one.
Oh, okay. And then when they're bigger, you hollow,
I like one.
How do you hollow them out so that they become a loofah?
You have to wait until they dry.
I'm looking at like
When
2
they're
minutes.
Oh, too
brown.
bad. You want one?
Along the fence here where these yuccas are is where my dad grew the first time.
I go.
Oh yeah, my mom grew it that
Just
time.
take the first step of it.
This thing got so heavy it fell over.
Yeah, this one right here.
Oh, this one too. Wow.
Look over here, all these gourds.
Right? Turn those in.
Don't step on the
And
vine.
that's what I was saying. I was like, it'll be cool.
Man, that thing's gotten real big.
I put more zucchinis here. And
I know, right?
this is
All of them
cilantro.
out in
Don't
permanent
walk in
instruments.
there.
Oh.
That's what I wanted to do.
And here's my
Kohlrabi's.
kohlrabi.
They look so alien.
Yeah, they're good though. They're
Yeah,
just here.
The kids loved the kohlrabi leaves when you sauteed those.
Uh-huh.
They loved that.
Do you want more? I have inside. I just harvested one. Three of them.
Peanuts.
Look at my peanuts.
I want the peanuts to be done.
What's out? There are corns here.
Yeah, we want a bunch of produce anytime we come.
This one right here, this apples, I just keep the apples, the mini apples at Walmart that you buy in the little bag. I keep the seeds and I planted it.
That's cool.
Haha, Walmart.
Yeah.
Eat that.
That's what we did for our green onions.
Yeah, like this one, I bought those green onions. You just cut the top one,
Yeah,
you cut the rest.
that's what he did.
Yeah.
And we just water it.
And these are the sweet potatoes.
So what is this ridge that you've made?
So when you're gardening, you have to make it a ridge, especially with the potatoes, zucchinis.
You had to pile it up right
Yeah,
there
you
and
have
plant
to
it
pile
on
it.
there.
The
So it
water
grows
is
in the
here
pile.
and- no.
So the water goes around it, not directly
Yeah.
on it. Oh,
Right.
okay. Okay.
So that makes the roots reach out and get the water. That makes the plant stronger because it's trying to grow and reach the water.
Oh,
Right
okay.
here. Like I have this one. This is where I buried my compost.
Okay.
And look, they start growing.
Just whatever was
Stuff
there.
that was inside the
Yeah,
compost.
like this one is the new one. This have something in it. So
It's called the mystery garden. You bury your compost and see what pops up.
I
Yeah, right?
buried-
Hey.
That's what we need to do.
I buried my sweet potato that I used to get some shoots. Because you get a sweet potato and you soak it with water and it start having shoots out. So you cut that out and you plant it. And I buried the rest and look, it's growing.
I think it's stuck in the hole on the side where your pinky toe is.
Look, all the sunflower is facing to the sun.
Away from the sun.
Away from the, no, in the morning.
Oh, that's the morning sun.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here's all the pumpkin. Pumpkin there.
So how long do pumpkins grow through the season? Do they grow up through
Actually,
October?
I planted this in June, like before we went to Philippines.
Oh wow.
That's what.
Because that's what
So
we're hesitating on is starting pumpkins right now, but it takes us too long into the
It
season.
takes
We
at
actually
least
started
90
pumpkin
days.
seed and then they go into our rose garden and then
Oh.
Yeah,
I
gotta pour
transplanted
the
it
water
and then
on
everyone
it.
forgot about it. So it died.
You guys have any questions?
Yes. When can you come up to the house so you can help them build the garden?
Whenever you
Saturday
guys
after the market?
After the market.
Because we got the Otero County Fair, and we're going to be at it as well. So I don't know who's going to be in town and who's going to be at the fair on those days.
Yeah.
Oh, on that day?
Yeah, you
Okay.
do the weekdays with me.
Okay.
So,
So-
not this Saturday.
No, you can do this Saturday.
It's actually this Wednesday.
It starts Wednesday, ends on